Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Today I want to talk to you guys about something very simple, something you might not think about. I want to talk to you about how disease transmitted. Okay, so there's different way of transmission. So there's some diseases that are transmitted through the air when someone sneeze or cough. Some of the disease get transmitted like virus. Some of the bacteria also get transmitted that way, such as tuberculosis. So anybody who has active infection of any kind, that can be transmitted through the air. So if that person sneezes in front of you, so you get into your oral, you get into you get into your system through your nose, through your mouth, and then you're gonna get sick. If someone cough and they have an infectious disease, by coughing, all those little droplets that get in the air also can get in your system and make you sick. But those are not the only way that disease get transmitted. You know, some disease get transmitted through the bloodstream. Some disease get transmitted through any mucus that you have, saliva, blood. Also, some disease can get transmitted through that, not just by blood. Some people might think that every disease that can go to your system has to go by your blood, but no, some of the disease, it doesn't have to be blood. It could be your saliva also. It can get transmitted that way too. And also, some bacteria can get transmitted to someone by touching a surface. This is called indirect contact. So someone has a bacteria that drop on the counter or at your job, on the break room, on the table, and you touch that table, you get that bacteria in your hand, and you don't wash your hands, you go eat, and then that bacteria get into your system. So by saying that, we have to be very cautious about how we take care of ourselves. We have to make sure we wash our hands every time so that we don't transmit any kind of disease that can be transmitted from a surface to you. So someone is sick and then they have that bacteria anywhere in their body, they touch your door handle, they touch the table, anything, they touch the pen, and then you touch it after, and you have that bacteria that stay in you, because the bacteria or the virus will stay alive if they get in the system, if they get in someone, either an animal or a person. So we have to be very careful with how we take care of ourselves to make sure that we are not getting disease in our system. Wash your hands, cover your cough, cover your sneeze, so to make sure that you are not spreading bacteria or viruses, or in general microbe, to someone else that you don't even have any intention to do so. So be careful guys on how we treat ourselves. Wash your hands, cover your cough, cover your sneeze, and be careful with everywhere you go in. Make sure you always do the proper hygiene. Okay, I'll see you next time for another video.